Hi, this is Amyel. I'm the Chief Creative Officer here at WaterField Designs. And today I want to talk to you about a 48-hour bag. So I went to a business trip in Portland and I was thinking to myself, if only I could have a bag that could carry all the things I need for this 2-day business trip, but then have a smaller bag to take to the conference. So I had this idea, could we do a modular 48-hour bag? When I got back from my trip, I told my friends about this idea and they said, hey, this could work in other use cases. I have a friend who said, can I use it so that I can carry my basketball gear to work and then have all that gear available to me after work? Another group of friends who are digital nomads said, hey, I want to have a bag I could carry with me throughout the day, but then I could use a smaller bag to go to other meetings in different parts of the city. And then one other friend said, I would just really like a bag where I don't need to carry a wheeled suitcase, because when I go to cities like New York, there's a lot of uneven surfaces where a wheeled suitcase isn't conducive. And all of these people said, and I want a smaller bag I can take for just other satellite things that I wanted to do. So I need your help to design this 48-hour bag. Gary and I have been talking about it, and we thought we should reach out to you guys because you are so good at giving us good suggestions and great advice for do bags. So is this 48-hour bag a good bag for you? Is this something you would use? Are there other scenarios we could use this for? What features would you look for? And is there anything else we're missing? Please take the survey below and let us know. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you.